Aviva's AGM in May 2016. I asked Aviva their view on Brexit. This was their reply.
I do think that it's a desperately important decision for each and every one of us. So on this particular occasion, I think it's appropriate for the board to tell you what the company's view is. But I don't want the AGM to be hijacked by Brexit. So what I'd like to do is give you, in due course, the board's views on Brexit. Before I do that, I'd like to see if there are any other questions out there relating to Brexit. So I'm just wanting to see if there are any stalking horses for Brexit out there. So it's just sort of speak now or hold your peace, chaps.
Point of order.
Point of order.
We are not interested in the political views of the board.
I agree. I'm not going to give you any political views.
It needs to be left with the British public and nothing else. We appreciate what the company thinks, but I do not think this is the right place to express anything else with Brexit. Thank you.
I'm not going to give you any political views. First of all, it's perilous for any company chairman to trespass on political territory. It's perilous to talk about sovereignty. It's perilous to talk about the package that the Prime Minister has negotiated. I won't do that. I won't tell anybody how they cast their vote. I might urge you all to vote for or against, because it's an important issue. All I'm going to do is tell you the company's narrow view on the implications for the group. I'm not going to go through this in any great detail, because it's a frightfully complicated subject. What preoccupies the board is the uncertainty that we will face if there is a vote to leave, because we see the risk of serious short-term financial disruption. It's very difficult, in my judgment, to decide between the claims and counterclaims of the two opposing factions. All I know is there is a lot of uncertainty if we proceed according to a vote to leave. And we're businessmen, we like understanding the risks that we're running. We can't measure the risks of a Brexit, and therefore our view is, for the company's perspective, I'm not talking about the broader political considerations, every one of you will have a view on that. The company's view, I've dealt with point of order. The company's view is that we will prefer to avoid the uncertainty. All we say is that there's no turning back if we get into a Brexit situation, and for us, there's no insurance policy against Brexit. But there will be a wide range of views. I wouldn't want to influence anyone's view in the room. But that's the narrow answer to your question, and I thank you for it.